In this review, we will be focusing on the HP DeskJet D1520. This should be an interesting review in the sense that there really isn't much positive to write. If this review were written 5 years ago, that might have been a different story. But this model's features are very outdated. On the other hand, it's extremely cheap. It sells for between $20 and $35, depending on if it's new or used. If you need something simply for everyday needs, it might not be a bad option. The other surprising thing is that more people were very pleased with it than not. This is surprising because of the outdated technology. The most likely reason people are happy with this model is because it's extremely easy to use. People love simplicity, and the D1520 definitely delivers in that area. Before you make a decision on whether or not this is the right printer for you, you're going to need some facts, so let's get to it. The HP DeskJet D1520 operates on OS interface. It supports W2000, XP, and Vista. There's one tricolor cartridge that comes with it, which can be used for everyday printing and photos. When it comes to speed, the DeskJet D1520 can print up to 11 pages per minute black and 11 pages per minute color. Based on today's technology and the other printers that are on the market, this is extremely slow. If you want top-notch quality, you should look elsewhere. While 1200 x 1200 dots per inch isn't terrible, it's still far from the fine definition other printers can offer. The D1520 can hold 80 sheets, which is below the average 100, and well below the 150 to 200 we're starting to see more often. In most cases when reviewing a printer, there will be several paragraphs reviewing the printer's features. In the case of the HP DeskJet D1520, we only have enough information for one paragraph. Most printers have negatives. The D1520 might have as many negatives as positives. The biggest negative is that everything the D1520 offers can be found in other DeskJet models and for a cheaper price. This means the only way you should even consider buying this model is if you really need simplicity and you can find it for extremely cheap. Another negative for the DeskJet D1520 is that it doesn't come with a USB cable or black ink cartridge. What makes this worse is that this information is not provided to you when you buy. However, if you're buying used, this shouldn't be an issue. The seller will most likely have possession of these items and include them in the sale. While this model might offer simplicity of use, that's not the case with installation. If you want to get confused or frustrated when installing a printer, you can save yourself some aggravation and go with something else. Of course, it depends on how important owning the specific model is to you. The final negative is that this printer is extremely slow, as stated earlier.